From the future adventure, greetings! Get ready to explore the world in unmatched luxury and style. Presenting the masterpiece that is transforming travel, the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026. The main component of Volkswagen's sleek, modern design are its unique aerodynamic lines, which provide a shape that is both useful and fashionable. When the automatic sliding doors open, you enter a world meticulously prepared for each journey. Several state-of-the-art engines built for optimal performance and efficiency power this RV. Two alternatives are available: a powerful plug-in hybrid diesel engine with rapid torque for long-distance driving, and a silent and environmentally friendly all-electric EV powertrain with a large-capacity battery that provides an exceptional range for zero-emission excursions. As soon as you grab the wheel, you are greeted by a contemporary and intuitive UI. A huge, curving touchscreen connects all of the car's essential data and functions, from the instrument panel to the center console. A cutting-edge entertainment system that seamlessly combines wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will keep you interested and connected. To ensure continuous connectivity and convenience, there are several USB-C ports, wireless charging, and accurate digital temperature control scattered throughout. The interior design skillfully strikes a balance between style and functionality. Premium materials like vegan leather upholstery, certified light wood, and soft, recyclable linens create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Because of its modular design, you may transform the room as needed, transforming it from a cozy dining area during the day to a tranquil haven at night. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views of every area, yet adjustable LED ambient lighting adds a unique touch. The bedroom should be a tranquil retreat. A luxurious queen-size bed and an ergonomic mattress provide a restful night's sleep after a long day of travel. Cleverly hidden storage spaces under the bed and along the walls optimize the quantity of luggage you may bring. A good night's sleep is ensured by blackout curtains and soft lighting, while enough ventilation promotes healthy air circulation. Elegant design doesn't have to take up a lot of space, as demonstrated by this little yet functional bathroom. Modern, energy-efficient cassette toilets, quick heat showers, and fold-down sinks are features that conserve space without sacrificing comfort. A mirror with built-in lighting and composed of materials that are easy to clean and waterproof might provide a stylish touch. The kitchen of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is a gourmet haven for any adventurous cook. With a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a roomy refrigerator freezer, you can prepare delicious meals wherever you go. Because of its movable dining area and roomy storage space for materials and equipment, it functions as a hub for cooking activities that may be done while traveling.